How to refund Roblox gift cards. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of requesting a refund for the Roblox gift cards. To begin, ensure that you're logged into your account on the official Roblox website. Navigate to the support page by visiting roblox.com/support. Provide your contact information and a detailed description of the issue. While selecting the gift card option under the help category, note that direct refunds for the gift cards are not facilitated by the Roblox. According to the official Roblox support documentation, refunds for the gift cards must be requested through their respective payment providers such as Apple, iTunes, Microsoft, or Amazon. To initiate a refund for your Roblox gift card, visit the help section on the website, locate the gift card information, and refer to the support services of the payment provider from whom you purchased the gift card. Remember, for a successful refund process, reach out to the Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon directly, and I trust that this guidance aids you in effectively navigating the refund process for the Roblox gift cards. If you found this video to be informative, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support.